Hello guys, welcome to this channel. On today's video, I just want to discuss my opinion or my own thoughts that three skills I wish I had on this 2024 or next 2025. So basically, these three skills that I learn now, and I wish I had this skill before today. Yeah, I wish I had. So what are those skills? The first one I want to tell you, I will tell you three of them directly. The first one, the coding, and then the second one, multitasking skill, and then the third one is really important, finance skill. So the first one, I will talk about the first one, the coding. Actually, today there are ChatGPT, Cloud, and then Copilot, GitHub. It's really make you very easy to do code. To do coding is really easy. But if you don't have any basic, it's nothing. Okay, so I wish I had a basic, very basic, such as JavaScript or Laravel or Ruby or anything programming language. At least I wish I had very basic, and then I could abuse ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot to do code. So right now I'm learning code. I'm learning coding from scratch, from zero, especially about the JavaScript, because many tools that I will create many tools for my own productivity or for my own business that use JavaScript. And now today I'm able to see the concept or the structure of JavaScript, and I asked ChatGPT to do it, and it works. It took me about 3 months to learn the JavaScript. I wish I had the JavaScript or any language of programming in the past, so I could abuse ChatGPT earlier. So that's the first one. I wish I had this skill. And then the second one, the multitasking. This one, you know, on today's world, very distractful. TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, so many information out there, and we couldn't avoid 100%. We couldn't avoid that information, that viral funny videos that we should watch it right away. I wish I could multitasking on my daily life. Actually, I couldn't, because to be honest with you guys, I'm working. I never listen to anything. I love to work, or I much prefer work with no sound around me, no music, no people chatting. I just want the environment of silent, because I'm not really good in multitasking. So today, in the past 2 months, I think, no, in the past a year, I would say, I am learning about multitasking. I started with listening to the podcast while I'm working. Okay, my work at the first time not really productive, but I found myself one of two knowledge from the podcast, from the ebook, from the audiobook comes to my mind after I work. That's really nice. That's so nice for me, and now I'm get used to it. I'm better in multitasking that I wish I had in the past, because today's world very distractful, and today I'm able to see the viral video and then go back to the work, and I'm still productive. That's the skill I wish I had in the past. The third one, this is really important, finance. I'm a businessman. I manage several businesses. This YouTube channel also my business, and I wish I had the finance knowledge earlier. I mean, the very basic and true finance, not only cash in, cash out. That's good. But the true finance, what I mean is like a financial report, financial statement, profit loss, the ratios, and many of them. I wish I had that skill in the past. So today I'm struggling to learn about many finance terms, finance calculations, such as what is ROI, what is ROE, what is a day, DA, or day of inventory, DOI, day of inventory, and then what is overhead, and many things out there that I just I'm not so acquaintance to that terms, and I learned it right now. I'm happy with it because even if I'm late, then thankfully I learned. I'm starting to learn. So these three skills that I wish I had in the past, but I have no. Well, I think no problem because today is the day that learning very easy. There are ChatGPT, there are Gemini, there are Udemy, there are Khan Academy. Learning very easy. Our our learning pace would be very fast by today's technology. So that's it, guys. I hope this video you could get insight from this video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.